math instructor for Math 100, and I'm going to try to make these videos to help you out with different topics that you're covering. Be a little clunky at first because I haven't done this before, but I just want to try to give you a little bit extra help with what you're doing. So I'm going to talk about exponents and how they're just keeping track of objects. So I'll always try to refer back to food because I think that makes it easier, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to show you this example. So if I have 2 cookies plus 3 cookies, that's going to be a total of 5 cookies. Now notice the plus right there is in red, if you can see that hopefully. Now if we do that same thing, if we have 2x's plus 3x's, that's going to be 5x's. So really, I want you to understand that these numbers out in front were the numbers that we dealt with. They were keeping track of how many x's that we had. Okay, and this is additively, so this is how many x's that we would be adding. Now, in Chapter 4, we're dealing with factors, how many times we're multiplying. So I'm going to show you the next one. So this one is very similar. So we have, right here we have x squared, so that's 2 factors of x. There's the times, the red dot, x cubed, so that's 3 factors of x. So if I wrote out x squared, that would be x times x, and if I wrote out x cubed, that would be x times x times x. So if you can see, there's a total of 5 x's. Now this red dot is a multiplication dot, which I just rewrote right down here. Now, if we think about this, if you have 2 of something, like 2 cookies, and then 3 cookies, so that's a total of 5 cookies. So that's why this becomes x to the 5th. That's the y of it. Having a little trouble with this. I'll get better. Okay, now the rule says that anytime you are going to take x to some number, that's ax's, and then that's bx's, and we're multiplying, we can write that as x to the a plus b. So this problem that we did over here, x squared times x cubed, we can simply add the 2 plus the 3 to say, you know what, we have a total of 5 x's. Please let me know if this helps, and I will cover exponents as far as working with them in division and other areas. Thank you.